Okay, now that we've got the base of our bridge designed, we've got our gap here for our structural testing rod that'll come up through the bottom. We need to do the same thing for the top. We need to design a similar type structure, but obviously it's going to be a lot shorter. So let's get a measurement on this real quick. So from here to here is 8.4608. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now here's our bottom structure we've already designed. So let's go ahead and, since we got it saved, there's no asterisk up here, let's go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and create that new file. Okay, so the new file, I'm going to save it real quick. It's going to be structure number 4 top, hit enter. Okay. So it's entered. So let's go ahead now and we're going to draw on the top plane here, and we're going to go ahead and place that line. Oh, make sure we're set to inches here. Up here 2 inches. That's good. Hit OK. And now we'll go ahead and to design that structure. Now again, that base. Okay, so we're going to say the top of this is, now we'll do we're going to say Control V, and it should got what's in our clipboard, and it did, and we'll say enter. Okay, roll out here. I'm going to grab this and pull it down. We're going to go ahead and create a center line this time from right there. We'll come up to 2.25 inches. That's good. Now we're going to draw a solid line here up 2.25 inches, 2.25 inches. Okay, that's in. Now let's come over here to this, and we're going to do an offset. I'm going to select this guy right here and offset that 0.4375. Okay, so that's 0.4375, and that looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a construction line, and we'll do our offset here going that side, 0.065, enter. And then we'll do take these dimensions, put them down at the bottom, take that one, put it at the top. We'll go ahead and do a mirror command, select this guy right there. We're going to mirror him. It always tries to automatically mirror on a center line, so we're going to select our construction line right there, put that guy in. And now what I want to do is I want to get a measurement. Oh, we got to fix this first. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an offset here on this one. Grab that line. We're going to say negative 0.125. Okay, so that has that member in. So now let's go back and look at that original assembly, and let's kind of flip this over here. The best way to do it is do this, and let's look how many diagonal members there are. It looks like there's 1, 2 in here. 1 and 2. Okay, we can do that. So back to the top structure, and what we're going to do now is we're going to create a center line. Let's do a measurement first. I'm going to measure from here to here, and our distance is 3.6054. So we're going to copy that dimension to our clipboard. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to grab this and move it out of the way. Grab that dimension, cancel. Grab this dimension, move it out of the way. Grab this, pull it, whoops, Control Z. Grab that dimension and pull him out and out of the way. We'll turn our constraints off. Okay, and then for now we'll turn our dimensions off. Okay, so we can see it a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and do a linear pattern, or excuse me, rectangular pattern, and I'm going to select this object here, and I'm going to key in this from that, and I want to come up here and divide that by 2. Actually, we're going to divide that by 3. Okay, so that way we're equidistant. Now let's double check a measurement here real quick. I think I may have messed something up. We're going to measure from here. That tells me it's 2.25. Looks like I got this one a little too long. Oh, I did. I copied it. Hit this and delete it. Delete that. delete that, delete that. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and hit extend using our shortcut menu. Sometimes you make little mistakes here and you just got to fix it. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Let's see if I can grab this, roll it up, hit extend again. I didn't want to extend. Well, we can fix that real quick. Fix that by doing a dimension. Come out here and say 2.25. There we go. And we'll do the same thing here with this one. 2.25. Okay, got it right now. Now we're going to take these two guys right here and turn those into construction lines. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and do an offset here. 0.0625. Enter. We're going to hit our space bar, grab this one, and we're going to hit 0.0625. Got that in there. Looks good. We'll do our mirror command. This one. We'll select our line there, hit OK. Go ahead and now do the same thing again. Space bar. Select him. Deselect this guy here to here. And we got that mirrored. That looks really good. Alright. So to speed this up a little bit, I'm going to come up here and hit my trim command so I can see things a little better. And I'll trim this out, trim this out, trim that out, trim that out. Whoops, get him too. Sorry, we got that one. Okay, come up here to the shortcut command, get our line command, draw us a line from here to there. And now I'm going to hit my trim command. Got that out of the way. Come down here, trim that. Draw me a line from here. I'm going to go all the way over here. I gotta get this right. Okay, right there. Shortcut command, trim, 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 and line from here to there. Okay, so that's in. So that looks pretty good. So now we got all these closed off. We're going to go ahead and go back to our assembly. Let's look at the direction this is going. So this is going, so let me rotate this around so I can see it a little bit better. Okay, so we can go boom, boom, boom. Okay, got it. So now what I'll do is I'll come over here, make sure I'm set to construction. Here to there. Oops, escape. From here to there. And then from here to there. Okay, looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my offset command again. Go ahead and hit that. Grab this guy here, 0.0625. Okay, spacebar, same thing again. 0.0625. In fact, I'm just going to highlight that. Control C to copy. Hit OK. Spacebar. See, it's doing that same thing again. Tell you what I'm going to do. This time I'm just going to hit trim. Whoops, didn't want to do that. Trim this guy out. Don't need him. Hit the offset command again. Control V to paste in that value. And then now we'll come back and do our mirror function. Select this guy. Select this guy. Hit OK. Spacebar. Select him. Whoops. Spacebar again. Select him. Him. Okay. Spacebar. Him. And whoops, do that again. Select him. Grab this. Go over like that. Got it in. Now I'll come back and hold my shift key down. Get all these construction lines and turn those into solid lines. Looks good. Alright, so let's zoom up here on the bottom and let's take a look at this. Looks good. Actually, we're going to start at the top here. Okay, good. Now we'll go ahead and hit a shortcut command, get draw a line out here. Now again, it's going to be construction line, so we'll draw another line from here. Make sure it's set to a solid line to that intersection. That looks good. Hit enter. And then we'll take and trim this out. this, and we'll select that as a solid line. That's beautiful. Go up here, do the same thing again. Get our trim command. Trim those off. Let's turn constraints off. Turn points off. That's good. We'll trim this guy right here. Alright, so now hit the line command. Here out to there. Go ahead and do one over here, here out to there. Good. We'll go ahead and hit the line command again. Should just hit my space bar. Down here like this. It's good. Space bar. Space bar, line command. Here. Okay. Shortcut. Trim. Trim. Make sure we got another line going down. Oops, got a line from here down to there. Okay, got that in. Trim this out. Trim this out. Good, we got that line in. Excellent. Trim him. Zoom out. Whoops, got a spot here we got to fix. Get that out. Scroll up here to this. Draw a line from here over to there. We'll draw a line from here up to here. Okay, escape, spacebar. Here up to there, spacebar. Trim. That looks good. Let's get these out, these out, these out, this out. Okay, so now we'll trim this. Whoops, gotta draw a line in from here to there. Okay, trim. Okay, that line's in. That line's in, good. Zoom out. Okay, this is going good. So we'll come over here to this. We'll trim this guy. We're going to go ahead and draw us a line from here down to there. Okay, we're going to draw us a line from here over to, whoops. Try that again, space bar. Okay, got him in, trim. Okay, the only thing it's missing is this top piece up here, from what I can tell. Yep, that's it. Space bar, draw a line. Outstanding. Draw it out here, trim that. Zoom out. And we got an extraneous line over there. We'll take him out. Okay, it looks pretty good. So now what we're going to do is hit escape. We're going to go ahead and make a selection of this. We're going to say mirror. And we'll select our center line here for our mirror. There it is. Okay. So now we'll go to a 3D looking type view. Hit our extrude command. 0.125. Select all these. Alright, got all that in, hit OK. And then now what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit my physical materials. In this case, I'm just going to say it's going to be oak, which is good enough right now. And I'll drag that over here so I can see it. Go down here, red oak, it's fine. Close, hit save. Alright, space. Okay, got that in there. Let's go to our data panel. And there's our bottom structure. Here's our top structure. Looks good. So we'll go to structure assembly number 4. I'll go more to a 3D view like that. I'm going to place him in here. Okay, it went down on the bottom. We'll scroll up here to this. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do a joint, which is this guy right here. Let's rotate this up a little bit. Actually, no, I'm going to go to the top. Get this corner right there. That's the one I want. Okay, scroll out here, go over to this guy. Let's see if we can snap to that one area right there. Whoops, let's zoom out here, see what happened. Oh, it's flipped it. So, let's try 0 degrees. Nah, that's not going to work. Cancel on this. So we got that guy right there. And he should join in right here. I guess it didn't work. Let's try this again. Well, actually, there's another way I can do this. Let's get out of that. Roll up on this. Let's try this face right there. Roll up on this face right there. And it's coming in all wonky. Let's roll out here again, hit cancel. I'm going to try this time. I'm going to say that point right there to this point right there. Ah, like that a lot better. Okay, so now if we look at this, we've got our structure built. Now if you notice what I did, I'll go to the bottom view here. I moved these in a little bit closer. That's fine, it's going to work just good. As long as we can get that half-inch bolt through there, let's go ahead and measure that. Make sure we get that half-inch bolt in there. We should be just fine. And that comes in at, oops, reset that. .75, that's going to work because the bolt's a half-inch thick, so that's going to work just fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom out. And so for right now, our structure is complete.